Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna cover the NASDAQ. But actually, I'm gonna cover I'm gonna cover the MACD of NASDAQ. So let's start off, like I say, with the monthly. Monthly wise, we're looking phenomenal. We enter this one zone right here. You can see that little bump. So let's just say the little zone here. So we barely entered. So just pay attention to that. Pay attention how where we are data wise. So this could be the start of a little retracing or continue whatnot. So let's now go to the weekly because the monthly doesn't really say shit. The weekly is telling me that we had a trend since November 2023 that actually July, October. So this is a trend since that we had, the rally that we had. So you notice a difference between SPX MACD indicator and NASDAQ indicator, where SPX had a sweet, clean rally and up, and whereas the NASDAQ is just all over the place. Something I noticed: these peaks haven't been that strong. If you notice, they've been pretty much in the same area. Right here. This will indicate to me that the market is in a little rally box. For right now, this is just looking weak wise. Even though the market's rallying, it's losing trust, thrust, just like a rocket. I guess it's losing, like it has fuel, but just like it's not punching like it should, It's gonna be a weekly. And also this is bad too. First off, because you broke a trend that we started right here. Second of all, because we're in this. This is all-time high from last market run, the big one, the one after recovering from COVID. We had crazy dump during COVID. September 20. Right here. So right here was when the market was starting to peak. And you have a push right here, and after this is what I'm talking about. Where the market, this indicator starts telling you, hey, get ready for a drop. Because as we dropped here, the market was going up, but the strength of it was going weaker. And then we had one more push, one more try. We had no fall. Again, one more push, but look at the weakness. Right here. So then what I do, I drew a box, stretch it out. So then when it will stop breaking this area, it will be like an early indicator of the market is not doing good. Second one will be right here. When we start rejecting this area right here. That if we do go down. But yeah, this is looking bad. So it pout either this slowly, depending how we play the week 2, it's gonna stay in here and get some volume again, Or if we start seeing it break this purple line, that's gonna be a Mayday. Mayday, Mayday. Daily. Daily is looking bad. So we had that drop. The recovering was still looking bad. Cause look, let's mark down the heavy area. So beside that, the next big area, dumping area. So the area to recover. So bullishness, break out of here, be this area breaking it here. Dumpish, we reject this area in the daily and start curving on down. So we need to maintain this here and break it on up. Otherwise, when we start seeing this, and especially how the market is with the bad news, whatever I said, there's gonna be telling me, hey, be worried because we could keep on dropping. 12-hour candle. Same thing, bring it into a new zone. Otherwise, we reject, and you're gonna start. You'll see it go back down here. Or if it's still good news, you're gonna see it maintain this area right here. And I normally don't fuck with the 8, the 4, and all that. The ones that really tell me what's happening with the market in general is monthly, weekly, and daily. And if anything, 12, but it's just these 3 right here. Alright, you guys, so that's all for the NASDAQ. Now, I'm gonna go over the NASDAQ real quick. Bitcoin and Ethereum maybe in the morning, because I'm fucking tired, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so this is Brian Seacrest signing out, folks.